Oh,
You know,
fuck,
I've actually
yeah.
had this before. Can I refill the fucking supply truck at their station?
I don't think so.
Definitely not.
I'm getting chased. This guy wants to play bumper cars. We're playing bumper cars and
We had a
trucks.
6'6" black kid at platoon who was
Yeah,
gay.
keep playing
You wanna-
bumper cars, baby. This is weird as shit.
You want to know what the nickname we had for a 6'6" gay black kid in my high school was?
What was it?
We're playing bumper cars instead of fighting.
I don't want to say it. But I'm getting
Brother.
bad words and add faggot to it.
There's a lot of bad words I could add faggot to.
Brother!
That's wild.
Interesting.
Oh my
Squad,
God.
you think you can drop an OP when you're done playing bumper cars?
Oh,
I can't. I'm getting text.
Enemy.
There's literally 2 trucks hitting me right now, and a guy on the ground shooting me.
Heads up.
Oh, that's a wall.
Top, you come on the airhead.
Oh, that's uncalled for. We were having
That's
fun.
Squad lead's down. Squad lead redeploy ASAP.
Where?